Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping an eye on Australian immigration, especially the 189 and 190 PR visas, then you're in the right place. Today, we're re-diving into the latest updates for November 2025 that could make a big difference if you're replanning your move to Australia. So, what's new this month? First off, the Australian government has released updated information on the priority occupations list, which is a key factor for both the 189 skilled independent visa and the 190 skilled nominated visa. This list shows which jobs are in high demand, and if your occupation is on it, your chances of getting an invitation for PR just got a lot better. For the 189 visa, which is the independent skilled visa, the emphasis has shifted slightly. There are now more points awarded for experience in regional areas and for certain tech and healthcare occupations. This means that if you're a software engineer, nurse, or an IT specialist, you might see your points score jump, giving you a stronger application. It's important to double-check your points before applying, as even a small change can affect whether you get an invitation. Now, looking at the 190 visa, the state-nominated option, there are some changes in state nomination requirements. Certain states have updated their criteria to focus on occupations they urgently need, and some states are offering bonus points if you commit to living and working in a regional city. This is great news if you're flexible with location, because it can increase your chances of receiving a nomination much faster than before. Another important update is about processing times. November 2025 has seen a slight reduction in average processing times for both 189 and 190 visas, especially for applicants with occupations on the priority list. While it's not a guarantee, it does indicate that the system is becoming more efficient, which could mean your PR application moves quicker than in previous months. So, what does all this mean for you? First, make sure your occupation is still on the updated priority list. If it isn't, consider whether a regional option or a different visa pathway makes sense. Next, review your points carefully, including experience, qualifications, and any state nomination bonuses you might be eligible for. Small adjustments can make a big difference in whether you get an invitation. If you're applying for a 190 visa, research the states you're interested in. Some states are actively seeking certain professionals and are more willing to provide nominations to meet labor market needs. Committing to a regional area could not only increase your points, but also make your application stand out. Lastly, keep your documents ready. The faster you submit a complete and accurate application, the higher your chances of getting processed quickly, especially with the slightly faster timelines this month. Staying proactive and updated with government announcements is key. Alright, that's the latest on the 189 and 190 PR visas for November 2025. If you're replanning your move to Australia, this update could really impact your strategy, whether it's choosing the right occupation, maximizing your points, or deciding on a regional move. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about your PR journey. I'll read all your comments and try to answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.